Thing you'd like? My dad.
Hi, I'm Jerry. I'm from Michigan.
And why'd you travel out here?
Oh, free labor.
And because he likes our dogs.
Absolutely. Well, but most importantly, to visit with Abby and Michael.
Michael smile. We're Call of the Wild, and we operate a dog sled tour company in Jackson Hole, Wyoming during the winter. But in the summer, we move all of our dogs and ourselves to our off-grid homestead in the mountains. What started as 2 kids just trying to build a cabin with some dogs has turned into a lifestyle, and we're learning as we go. So whether you're sitting in an office, dreaming of the mountains, or you've been living this lifestyle for years, we'd love to have you follow along. And maybe you'll find a little wild in yourself too.
So today we're building a deck. We're starting with the front portion of our house. We're setting all of the concrete deck blocks in the ground, getting everything leveled, and then we'll frame it up, and it should go pretty quick once we got everything lined out and everything level.
And then who's working with us today?
We have Abby's dad, Jerry, and then so my employee is also helping us this weekend get all the deck blocks. He did a lot of concrete work, so he's very good at getting everything level.
He knows much more than we do. Day 2 of building our deck. Deck boards came in. Ready for another day of work, Dad?
Oh yeah. I was born ready.
You were what?
Born ready.
What do you think, Electra? Okay, I guess she doesn't like it.
What do you want to say about the deck, Michael?
Turns out I can't estimate very well. We're short like 40 boards.
That's okay. You still did a good job.
Yep.
All right, so we didn't really talk about it, but unfortunately our retaining wall collapsed because we didn't build it right. But instead of having all this lumber go to use, we're going to use some of the broken pieces to build me a raised bed flower garden. What I didn't tell my dad is that we used a gun to put all of these in, so this is going to be really hard. Good thing he's really strong. Are you having fun yet, Dad?
Oh yeah.
Puppies are here for emotional support. I forgot that we screwed them in. Here you go.
Thanks. Well, that board's, look at it.
Oh gosh. Round two.
Okay. There. Okay.
Good.
Yeah. When all else fails, get a hammer.
Yep.
Oh wait, I want to. Oh, you turned it off.
No, it's still recording.
It is. I'm not saying anything in the viewfinder. Oh, okay. All right.
One of those fancy touch screens. Sorry, Michael.
All right. After all this, Abby's decided to take up carpenter.
No, never again. we can do the Jocks family carpenter.
There you go.
We were so grateful to have my dad come out and stay with us for 2 weeks this summer. My parents have been unbelievably supportive of my journey and offer help whenever they can. Between the big projects, we spent our time sipping coffee, or orange juice in my dad's case, while watching the sunrise and chatting late into the evening, watching a bonfire. But my favorite part of my dad being here was the love and connection that grew between him and my dogs. The ones from last year quickly recognized him, And even the new ones. Well, my dad has always had a knack for bringing dogs out of their shell. So Dad, thank you for everything. Thank you for encouraging me to believe that I was capable of anything. Thank you for showing me how to love even the smallest of creatures. And thank you for being excited to come see us, even though we lack water, electricity, and internet. I don't tell you this nearly enough, but you are the best dad I could have ever asked for. I cannot wait to watch your connection with my dogs grow this winter when you learn how to mush your own teeth. So until then, to you and everyone out there watching this video, stay wild. Did you enjoy your time with the dogs, Dad?
I did. About 70 gallons of scooping later, but they're all good dogs, and I got to see some old acquaintances.
Oh gosh!
And make some new acquaintances.
Yeah.
And then of course there's Electra.
Yeah. Hey baby. She says, "Let me free." Do you want to do the honors?
What's that?
Let her run.
Oh. There you go.
She's
Come on. Go! Go!